Welcome back to my Road Power TV channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, the 2025 Volvo VNL 860 with a 72-inch high roof sleeper. If you're a trucker looking for the perfect balance between comfort, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, this might be the truck for you. Stay tuned as we break down the design, features, performance, and everything you need to know about Volvo's latest long-haul beast. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Volvo VNL 860 is its bold and aerodynamic design. Volvo has taken their already sleek exterior and refined it further to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. The front grille is larger, allowing for better airflow, while the LED headlights have been redesigned for enhanced visibility and a modern look. The hood has been slightly reshaped, and the side fairings have been optimized to improve aerodynamics, ultimately cutting down on fuel costs. Stepping inside, the 72-inch high roof sleeper is where this truck truly shines. Volvo understands that long-haul drivers need a home away from home, and they've designed this sleeper cab with maximum comfort in mind. The spacious interior offers a well-thought-out layout with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a more ergonomic dashboard. The seating is more comfortable than ever, with advanced lumbar support and heating and cooling functions. The new infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with smartphone integration, navigation, and real-time traffic updates. For those spending nights on the road, the sleeper area provides one of the most comfortable experiences in the industry. The high roof design allows for more headroom and storage space. The 72-inch sleeper includes a premium mattress, ample cabinetry, and a foldable workstation for those who need to handle paperwork or emails. The ambient lighting system has been improved to create a relaxing atmosphere, and the climate control system ensures a perfect temperature, no matter the weather outside. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo VNL 860 is powered by the latest generation of Volvo's D13 turbo compound engine, offering improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. This engine provides up to 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, making it ideal for long-haul operations. The I-Shift automated manual transmission has been further refined for smoother shifts and better fuel economy. Volvo has also incorporated predictive cruise control, which uses GPS data to optimize shifting and braking based on upcoming terrain. Safety has always been a priority for Volvo, and the new VNL 860 is packed with the latest safety technologies. The truck is equipped with Volvo Active Driver Assist 2.0, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The blind spot detection system has been improved, and the new 360-degree camera system provides better visibility, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. Additionally, the side impact protection system has been reinforced to enhance overall driver and passenger safety. In terms of fuel efficiency, Volvo has made some impressive strides. The aerodynamic improvements, coupled with the advanced engine and transmission, allow the VNL 860 to achieve better miles per gallon than its predecessors. Volvo's dynamic torque system also adjusts power delivery based on load and terrain, ensuring maximum efficiency without sacrificing performance. Maintenance and uptime are crucial for any trucking business, and Volvo has made servicing the VNL 860 easier than ever. The new remote diagnostics system allows fleet managers to monitor the truck's health in real time, reducing unexpected downtime. Service intervals have been extended, and the redesigned engine bay makes routine maintenance quicker and more convenient. So, is the 2025 Volvo VNL 860 with a 72-inch high roof sleeper the right truck for you? If you're looking for a long-haul truck that offers supreme comfort, advanced technology, excellent fuel efficiency, and top-tier safety features, this might be the perfect choice. Volvo continues to push the boundaries of trucking innovation, and this latest model is a testament to their commitment to drivers and fleet owners alike. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth truck reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the new Volvo VNL 860. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.